Unlock the power of visual trading by mastering TradingView, even if you're brand new to the game. First things first, head over to TradingView.com and create your free account. It's quick and paves the way for your trading adventure. Once logged in, you'll land on a default chart. Let's make it yours. Click on the chart symbol in the top left corner to access the asset search. Here you can type in any stock, crypto, or forex pair you want to analyze. For example, let's look up Apple, ticker AAPL. See these colorful bars? These are called candlesticks, and they're your primary way of seeing price movement. Each candlestick shows the open, high, low, and close price for a specific time period. To change the time period of these candlesticks, look for the time interval selector. Usually at the top of the chart, you can switch between minutes, hours, days, and even weeks to suit your trading style. Now, let's add some intelligence. Click on the Indicators button. Often found near the top, this is where you'll find tools to help you make informed decisions. A popular indicator for beginners is the moving average. Search for it. Click it, and you'll see a line appear on your chart, smoothing out price action. Each indicator has settings you can tweak. Click the gear icon next to the indicator name to adjust its parameters, like the length of the moving average, to better fit your analysis. Don't forget the drawing tools. On the left side of your chart, you'll find a panel for drawing trend lines, support and resistance levels, and much more, all crucial for spotting patterns. Use the trendline tool to connect price points and identify potential future price movements. Experiment with these tools to visualize different aspects of the market. Finally, let's organize. On the right, you'll see a watchlist panel. Click the plus sign to add all the assets you're interested in tracking. This keeps your chosen markets easily accessible, so you can quickly switch between them and monitor their performance. With these basic setup steps completed, you're well on your way to navigating TradingView with confidence.